Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing the series of videos to you wherein I explain to you previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question. Before you go through this analysis video, I would request you to go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you understand the nuances of the passage. Now, what does this specific question probe? It asks which one of the following, if true, would undermine the passage's main argument. So if you have to undermine the passage's main argument, you've got to identify the passage's main argument, the main point. What is it that it is saying? The passage's main argument actually can be highlighted through a single sentence of the passage. The answer to successfully providing basic services is to create systems that provide both autonomy and accountability. The double A is that's what the passage is about, that you should have systems which have both autonomy as well as accountability in them. Then your basic services, this can be provided successfully. So that is what the author is talking about, these two factors. Now anything that aligns with this would be strengthening the argument. Anything that goes against this and finds a problem with this would be weakening the argument of the passage. Let's go through the answer options one by one. Option number D, we start in the reverse order. If it were proven that increase in autonomy of service provider leads to an exponential increase in their work ethic and sense of responsibility. So this actually is going to further strengthen that autonomy and accountability are good for the system. This is an answer option which actually strengthens the main argument of the passage. Hence, this is ruled out. Option number C, if it were proven that service providers in the private sectors have better skills than those in the public sector. The passage is not about public sector or private sector. The passage is about basic services that create systems that both use autonomy as well as accountability. This does not differentiate between public or private sectors. Hence, this does not have an impact. Option number B, if absolute instead of moderate technological surveillance is exercised over the performance of service providers. So basically what you're saying is that you should have absolute technological surveillance. The problem with this in this particular case is this is not attacking autonomy and accountability. Now the author of the passage has said that technological surveillance without changing systems is actually not going to be effective. And the problem here is not with mild, moderate or absolute levels of technological surveillance. The problem here is with systems. The systems are problematic, hence technology is not able to help. So our answer option has to revolve around service providers and systems and accountability and autonomy. It cannot focus on technological surveillance because that is not going to have an impact on the argument of the author. Option number A and our correct answer. This undermines the author's main argument. How so? Empowerment of service providers. So if you give them power, if you give them autonomy, leads to increased complacency and rigged performance results. So if you empower them, if you give them autonomy, what are they going to use that autonomy for? They are going to use it for rigging performance results. Hence their accountability on paper, they would look good, but actually it will be their performance would be problematic. Hence they would have gamed the system. Hence empowering service providers, this is going to be a negative outcome of creating the kind of systems that the author is talking about. And if this is a negative outcome of the kind of systems the author is talking about, this is going to weaken the argument. This is going to be one reason for not executing such systems. Hence option number A is the valid answer, and this is the reasoning that you need to adopt for this particular question. Hopefully so the question is clear to you now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.